solve the equation. Y over 9 equals to 2. Solution. We have y divided by 9 equals to 2. Now, the unknown, which is y, is at the what? Numerator. So the numerator in the left-hand side. And the left-hand side is a fractional algebraic expression. So what we are going to do, we write 2 as a fraction. And we can write 2 as what? 2 divided by 1. So the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. By cross multiply, by cross multiply. By cross multiply, what are we having? We have y times 1 is equals to 9 times 2. So what is y times 1? That is y. 9 times 2, we have 18. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.